In Kundalini Yoga, the ab work we do is more than about getting six-pack abs. It's about learning how to breathe properly, core support, and the all-important navel chakra. If we work right, our ab work will be more effective, and the results will reflect back to us in the mirror. Here are our top tips for FAB abs and a sustainable practice. May the fire in your belly burn bright and empower you to be the greater you. Let's get to it. We often hear from people who are not getting the results they'd like to see from all the ab work they're putting in. Problem is, many people are using accessory muscles, the hip flexors, the lower back, instead of putting the work into the abdominals where it needs to be to get those good results. So I'm going to share with you now a few of our top tips to help you get the work where it's supposed to be, in the abs. So let's do it. Our first exercise, we're going to find length in our spine because it's almost impossible to feel the abdominals without that length. So come onto your backs. Have your tailbone long. Feel the weight of your pelvis into the floor and the weight of your ribs into the floor. And keep that as we inhale the arms overhead. And as you exhale, you're going to start to curl up through the vertebra, keeping the hips weighted down. Keep coming up as if you're curling over a big beach ball. Bring your ribs over your hips, lengthening your spine the whole time. And inhale back down. Arms overhead. And exhale. Curl over your beach ball. And inhale back down. Now in Pilates, there's an exercise on the machines that has a weighted bar attached to pulleys. And you can imagine you're holding on to that as it helps lever you up. And then as you inhale, you're pulling that bar back with you. So just a couple more. We're going to do 5 of these all together. Don't come too far forward. Just have the ribs lined up over the hips. And you can also, to get you over that difficult part, right about here, hold on to your thighs if you need to. That's fine. It's always better to modify an exercise than to compromise an exercise. And let's just do one more, keeping all those tips in mind, keeping the spine very long. And roll down. Feel the length of your spine. And relax, arms by your side. Good job. So the first exercise was all about finding length in the spine. This next exercise is finding support and strength to maintain that length. So let's get to it. So lie on your back. So you're going to take a finger and place it on your belly button. And you're going to draw your belly button in towards your spine. That should lengthen your lower spine even more. You should feel your whole lower back on the floor. And you're going to keep it there. And you're going to raise your feet. Now you can raise them one at a time if you need to. You want to keep pressing your ribs into the floor. Use your arms to help you press your ribs down. And keep that belly strong. And breathe normally like this. And lower your feet down. And we're going to try an exercise like that now that you know that feeling. So Pull your navel to spine. Feel that lower back spine strongly into the floor. Don't let it move. Press your arms down. Keep your ribs in the mat. Raise your heels. Sort of in a tabletop pose. And the back ribs are firmly on the floor. Press your arms into the floor to help keep your ribs down. And we're going to lower the right foot and bring it back up. Lower the left foot and raise it back up. Don't let that lower spine move. Don't let your ribs jut out. Keep them long. Feel the weight of your ribs, the weight of your pelvis. Put all the work in your belly where it belongs. Hip flexors stay relaxed. Back of the ribs, back of the pelvis, weighted down. Good job. And hold your knees and rock and roll. So, the next exercise, we're going to work on focusing on the placement of the upper spine. Many people end up splaying their ribs or they slump the other direction. If the upper body is not placed well, the abs have nowhere to go but out. We want them tucked in and up under our rib cage. So this is how to find your correct body placement. We're going to open our chest, and then we're going to strengthen our lats, our shoulder blades. You're going to draw them down. It feels like two hands on your back, strongly embracing your upper back. Feel that. And now we're going to draw our front ribs together. And you'll feel that activated your upper abs. And you can feel then your lower abs can draw in and join those upper abs, tucked up under your ribs. So let's practice that again. So open your chest and then draw your shoulder blades down. You can see that's drawing my shoulders down. And now we're going to spin our front ribs together. And you'll feel that engagement throughout your abs. We're going to try and hold on to that while we do some side bends. So inhale your left arm up and exhale over. Inhale your right arm up and exhale, bend to the left. Feel that nice stretch opening up your side ribs. Inhale the left arm up, exhale to the right, feeling that wonderful length in your spine. Inhale up and exhale side, opening up those ribs. Inhale up and keeping those shoulder blades engaged. Exhale over. Everything works together. And inhale up. Good job. So many people have trouble sensing their spine in space. So here's something to help you with that. At the top of your spine before your cervical vertebra, there's a bony point. You can feel it kind of sticks out a little bit right there. So if you feel that length between that spot and your tailbone and bring that into alignment, it's easier if you feel your spine from that point down to the tailbone. See if you can feel the length between that bony point and your tailbone and bring it into one straight line. And from there, you can bring your awareness up through the top of your head, kind of where my bun is. Come onto your backs. And now we're going to practice being aware of all those points we spoke about in the Kundalini Classic stretch pose. So You've probably seen this one before or done it, hopefully. Come onto your back. No problem if you haven't done it. Have your hands beneath you, palms down. And we're going to raise our head and heels 6 inches. We're going to gaze out over the toes. Breath of fire. It's a light rhythmic breath, even on the in and out, done through your nose, like sniffing. Feel free to do one leg at a time if you need a modification. Lengthen every part of you above and below your navel. Stretch. Think long, long, long through your spine. If your bed's not too soft, you can even do this one before you get out of bed in the morning. And inhale and relax. Oh, that's a tough one. Good job. Inhale, take a nice stretch. Stretch your arms, your fingers, your toes. Lengthen. And relax. Have your arms by your side, palms up, and take a much deserved rest. You may be feeling some heat in your belly now, which is a good thing. That's the fire in the belly. When it's ignited, we can do less and get more done and have energy to burn. And take hold of your knees and rock and roll. And come up. So this last tip is not an exercise. It's a reminder to you to get all the things we talked about today in place before you do any navel kriya or abdominal workout. In this way, you can profit from your practice. Thanks for being here. Please, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. We always love your comments and feedback. Please let us know how you're doing with these and what you would like to see. And please join us at raviana.com if you want to go deeper into your practice with us. See you soon.